If you have multiple virtual networks, then they will be isolated from each other by default. There are two ways to connect to them. Number one, using a Vnet peering, and the second one is using a virtual network gateway. A virtual network peering is by far the easiest method, so we'll start with that. A Vnet peering is simplest and quickest way to establish a connection between your Vnets. Virtual network peering enables you to seamlessly connect two Azure virtual networks. Once the peering is complete, the virtual networks will appear as one for connectivity purposes. Now there are two types of Vnet peering. One is regional Vnet peering, and the second one is global Vnet peering. So if you have Azure Vnets in the same region and you have completed a Vnet peering between the two, then it is regional Vnet peering. Global Vnet peering, on the other hand, connects Azure virtual networks in different regions. So let's say one of them is in East US and another one is in Southeast Asia. Then you are running a global Vnet peering. When creating a global peering, the peered virtual networks can exist in any Azure public cloud region or China cloud regions, but not in government cloud regions. You can only peer virtual networks in the same region in Azure government region clouds. In the next video, let's talk about the benefits of using local or global virtual network peering.